sitting here talking to myself, right? Which I've done before. But let's see here. And also, too, this is my journey, my personal, just kind of a vlog of my journey into crypto, into the crypto world. My background is fitness, and I've been, there you go. I have been on the crypto path for about 2 years. I had a client of mine that got me started into it. Now, if you look at what's on the screen right now, is actually an academy. It's called the I Am Academy. This is what I'm promoting. I'm not an expert. I am a beginner. Matter of fact, just this weekend I made a crazy rookie mistake. Got trapped in a leverage trade, and just being too, sometimes I felt what they call FOMO. I want to get in, I want to get in there and get some stuff done. But so I'm learning from my mistakes. What I'm sharing with you, if you're interested, is about the I Am Academy. The details about the Academy are inside the description of this video. There is a 12-minute video link inside the description of the video that tells you all about the Academy and what we're doing and what our mission is and why we're doing it. If you're interested by chance in joining the Academy, there's basically two primary options. One is to join one academy, because there's more than one, and two is to join like 3 academies. That's what I did, the Elite Academy. So if you look on the screen, you'll see the DCX Academy. That's the Digital Assets Academy. So you'll get, if you're just going to join one academy, that would be the one to join, the DCX Academy. It's $175 a month. If you refer 2 people, your membership is free. And if you refer more than 2 people, you can get compensated. There's a compensation plan. If you look at it on the screen, there's the different levels of compensations. I'm working myself through the ranks myself. That's why I'm doing this on social media, so I can share and get paid along the way and help others. It's our goal to assist 1,000 plus people to earn $1,000 to $2,000 plus US dollars every month or more through digital assets, right? And so I'm going to show you how to do that. Just like for one thing, this is one of our tools right here called the Swipe Coin. This comes with your membership. I've taken profits already in this trade. I've sold out, but you can see this is the little line right here. This is the 50-day, what they call the 50-day moving average. And we're down. I'm in an Ethereum trade right now, and we're actually down right to the 50 MA. So if it holds, I'll be really happy because I'm going long, right? Now, what does going long mean? I just want to clarify that with some people that may not understand. So I'm gonna back up just a minute, and let's look at 2 different things. As a total beginner, if you're a total beginner, if you're a total beginner, it's important to get educated, right? And understand that there's more than one type of trading. That's one thing I wish that I would have learned earlier. I learned it, but just took a while, and I didn't really understand the details until really quite recently, it feels like. So there's basically, with digital assets, there's different types of trading, right? Now, there's actually 4, but I'm just going to break it down into 2 just to make it real simple right now. There's the exchange investing. You can just invest on an exchange, right? Download a Coinbase or Gemini or Kraken or whatever your thing is, and buy whatever you're happy about, right? Whatever you're interested in, whether it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the other 9,000 plus other coins out there, right? Now, that's exchange and like buying it off the exchange, right? Now, then there's leveraged digital assets. What does that mean? It means you can, we're actually kind of doing it in like smaller time frames. And matter of fact, I'll show you. I've started one right now. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm a little behind. I'm a little about 1.8% down right now in this particular one. But what a leveraged trade is, say this is Ethereum, okay? Say, I think, because now let's look at the charts, okay? let's look at the Ethereum. I'm gonna look at the Ethereum chart. Okay. Now I drew this out before I got on the video because I was doing my analysis. It's basically, and I'm not going to explain everything because that's the point of when you go through the academy and you listen to all the lessons, you learn a lot of what these things mean, right? Like what you see on the screen here. So it might not make sense, but just in general, this whole pathway right here, this is the path, the price path of Ethereum. And over here on the right side are the numbers, the prices that it is. So currently, Ethereum, on this exchange, this is an exchange, Phoenix exchange, is 38.52, right? So it's 38.52 right now, right? Now, what's been my experience, and I'm just, because I'm learning, I'm an amateur. I live in Arizona, USA. It's Pacific Standard Time here, okay? So when see this bar right here, I drew this. That's 1 a.m. in the morning. And that's usually, if we go back, let's see, I have it on Bitcoin. Back a little bit. This is Bitcoin. Okay, let's pull it up on the hour. Okay, this is Bitcoin on the hour. This is the pathway Bitcoin's been going. Okay, this is the price over here on the right. All right. Now, if you look, let's see here. Look here. This is a good example. This was right at midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. Boom, it went up. Look at that. See how fast it went up. Now, what's another example of it going down? So sometimes this is 01 in the morning, Pacific Standard Time, USA. Right around 01 in the morning, boom, it went down. So it can go either way, right? So what I've done is, well, two things. The reason why I'm in a long trade right now, two big reasons. Number one is this tool that's been supplied by, it's starting to really take a dip. So this tool that's really been supplied by I Am Academy is very helpful. It really helps minimize the losses, maximize the gains. It's called Spot Coin. Now, look over here on the left. These are 15 or about other tools that I don't even know how to use yet. It's all a part of what you learn in the academy. There's so many things we can learn in so many ways to make smart money with digital assets, right? So this is one thing I do. But okay, and then also too, if you look on the 8-hour time period, look at this. This is so sometimes what we do is we draw we expand out, they say, hide indicators. Okay. So this, okay, nope, I don't want to do that. Okay, this is what I'm looking for down here. So this is 8 hours. Each one of these, this is called bars. And each one of these are 8-hour time periods, right? And so it just looks like it wants to go up. That's the way it's pointing. It doesn't mean it's going to go that way. It just looks like it's going to go that way. Sometimes they fake us out, right? So we'll see what happens. I have a stop loss set, all right, in my trade. This is okay. But what I think, not what I think, but what I'm, because that's not a smart word to use in trading, but what I'm speculating is that we're right here right now. See, we are 38.44. I think it's either gonna two options. It's either by tomorrow mid-morning 6 a.m. could be in the 39.55 range, or could likely be in the 3,800 range. And so I'd rather it go up. And we can make money in shorts too, but I'm just currently not in a short. So we'll see what happens. That's on the 1 hour. Let's look at the 3 hour. I like looking at the 3 hour. See, this looks really good. The 3 hour looks really nice. Let's see if I can hide drawings and indicators. Okay. Yeah. So see these, this is one of the basic things that I learned recently. See these 3 candlesticks right here? It's known as the 3 white soldiers. And that's just a very bullish, what they call a very bullish sign, right? So we'll see what happens. All right. And then let's go back to this here. Okay. So we'll see what happens. So got it right there. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like. The 15-minute, see, a lot of educators look at this tool. It's called a stochastic RSI. All right. And it's low right now. So it could, it could pump, but it could just keep staying low. It could keep going down. We just can only really react to what it's going to do. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'll turn around and trade another one when it's time. So we'll see what happens. But this is Ethereum on the 15-minute. Let's just for fun, let's dial it in even more. See this? This is what I know is that between now, it's 9 o'clock my time. In the next 4 hours is going to be really interesting, So we'll see what happens. It could just keep going down, and I get stopped out. So, but God willing, it could go the other way. That will be nice. So we'll see. Okay. So we'll see. See how it's already been down from when I marked it last time. So it's getting some pressure. But what I do know is that it's just right there. It's right on the borderline between some. It's see right where this is at right here. This is a very common level of support. Just go back and look at this. See how from here it's just kind of really respected it. Once we got this buy, it's kind of like boom, but it did come back down to it though. It always, one thing I found, and a lot of people talk about this, it always comes back down to this point. Pulls away from it, comes back down, and it'll go the other way. Okay, so look at here. So here it went up above it, went down below it, back up to it, back down, right? Back up to it, stayed under it, went up, right? Boom, went up, stayed down on it right there, messed with everybody here, went all the way down, all the way up, playing with everybody's heads, stopping out a lot of people, and now it's in a buy. So it's currently in a buy. Is it going to switch to a sell, or is it going to stay in a buy? Well, I don't know. But I will keep an eye on it, and this will tell me, and it'll help me to make my decisions on where to go. So I hope that makes sense. So this is it right now. I'm currently down 2.5%. My goal is to turn this into a $1 million plus successful leverage trading account. I see it in my mind. I see the trades over here all the time. These are $1 million trades. A lot of them. Look at there. Each one of these numbers are contract sizes. And you take times 15, so 100,000 times 15. 100,000 times 15 is 1.5 million. That's a $1.5 million trade right there. This 102,740. It's getting ready to get filled. And this person here is buying it. They are buying $1.5 million worth at that level right there. So I hope they do well because we're in the same direction. So we'll see what happens. So we'll see. I'll come back and I'm doing it just frequently. I'm not sure the frequency of these videos, but remember that they are all sponsored by the IM Academy. This is really what I'm sharing with you because this is how we're going to learn. Let me just share with you how the class works and what it looks like if you are enrolled, and you can learn at your own pace. Right? You can learn at your own pace. Right? So how do we learn our own pace? Follow these videos. Click on a link, watch the video, get a check mark. Click on a link, watch the video, get a check mark, and you learn at your own pace. I've been through the exchange version already, and now I'm working myself through the leveraged version of the Academy. Currently working myself through this. This is where I'm at right now. I'm going to keep going. On top of that, we have live Sunday through Saturday educators going live for the Academy members. You can ask questions, follow what they're teaching, and look at this harmonic crypto mastery. That's something I haven't even got into yet. And what they call learning how to train with harmonic. that's a whole nother level. It's just a whole nother level of investing. And you'll see as I'm working myself through it, I'll share on this channel. So if you're watching this by chance, this is a new channel for me. Please like and subscribe the video, and support the new promoters coming up, right? Because you can learn different things from different people. So this is just my beginning pathway. I'm going to share with you what I know, what I can, and I'm gonna break down. This is on the hour. I'm going to leave this with you, leave this thought. We're currently Tuesday right now. It's currently Tuesday. Okay, so we're right here. Okay, so what I'm expecting, this is Bitcoin. I'm in an Ethereum trade, so I'm really watching this one right now. So really watching this one. I like that I got a little positivity there, 3-minute mark. But this is the 15-minute mark. This is what we really want to turn around and get going in the right direction. We want to see this right here. We want to see this do this. This is what I'm looking for. I want this to do like this. And it's possible, okay? Because if you go out to the bigger time frames, this is the 8-hour time frame. You can look at any time frame, but it's looking good on the big picture. We may get some swings in the meantime, but the 8-hour looks great. The 3 hours pumping. You know, everything's kind of cooled off right now. The 1 hour is cooling off, but Tuesday. So my goals, we'll see what happens overnight. So I'm getting ready to turn in, and stop losses are set. But I do tend to wake up occasionally in between sleeping cycles, and we'll take a peek because this thing moves fast. It can go up or down in the blink of an eye. It feels manipulative sometimes. It moves so fast. So we'll see. But where I have these pink bars, these bars pointed, or what I feel like are the two possibilities. If it's going to go low, I want to get out, change directions, right? But I really feel like, based on the larger time frames, that it's gonna go up. So that's what I'm speculating. So we'll see. I like the 10-minute time frame as well. Get this to turn around. So see, yeah, it's kind of due for a pump. I mean, I would hope so. So this is the 3-minute. Sometimes I keep an eye on that if I don't want to go too crazy. The 1 minute just so fast. It's so all over the place, right? It's the 1 minute time frame. So back to the 15-minute. Let's go back to the 3-minute. That was the most encouraging. That was the lowest frame and most encouraging one right now. It's curving up. So this is Ethereum on the 3-minute. If you're open to it, please like and subscribe to the channel because it's a new channel and I'm growing. Get the new cryptocurrency. You never know what you can learn from people. You know, I'm going to share whatever I can. My journey as my victories and my losses. I really had a big challenge over the weekend. I got trapped in a trade I shouldn't have been in and FOMO'd in and got stuck. Thank goodness I could have, only lost a little, but because it bounced back. But anyway, I'm going to make some mistakes, but my goal is to do the best I can and learn from them and to share with you about the Academy, right? So if you're interested, click the 12-minute video inside the link in the description of this video. You can watch a 12-minute video, find out what we're all about, right? And then also, too, if you're interested, just go ahead and sign up. One Academy, $175 a month, and that's probably the DCX Academy. So if you're going to just join one Academy, that's probably going to be that's the best one if you're interested in cryptocurrency, right? I'm also a member of the Forex Academy. I'm learning that, and the High Frequency Academy. I'm learning about that. So, and then if you want to get paid, if you want to share, refer 2 people. Your membership is free. If you refer other people, you can earn residual income. That's what I'm doing. That's why I'm sharing it on social media. Because hey, what if 1,000 of us share about it, and we're building up a great team. We're learning together. Plus, two, you're learning. All these YouTube channels have their own, either a service, a product or service they're selling, an indicator, or they're selling affiliate programs, or they're selling Patreon memberships. This is one big organized academy. We have over 200 different educators, people going live Sunday through Saturday, plus an organized academy system that you can learn at your own pace, right? You can learn at your own pace. You just click on the link, learn at your own pace, right? So if you're open to it, check it out. It may or may not be for you, and either way is okay. I appreciate your time and your energy. Let's crush it. Come on, Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything's looking real bullish right now. A lot of people are pumped. And these next couple months should be very exciting for all of us. So let's see what happens. Speculate, hope for the best. And but what will we do though in trading though? We can make money when the prices go down as well as when they go up. So we just have to be smart about it, and use the best wisdom that we can and take action. All right, that's it. And see you on the next lesson or the next vlog. All right, bye for now.